Okay, this is part two. I was able to not have to buy another one of these rods. I was able to just flip it around 180 degrees. It turns out these machines are designed so that you can reverse the motor and the guts very easily. So the other side had the dimple and the oil, I guess the oil hole below. I was able to put the set screws, flip it around and put the set screws in. The only catch is this, is that the screw to adjust to hold this in place is now aiming sort of in the wrong direction for convenience. But I think it's still going to work just fine. You don't really need to move that around all that much. And you can see the diamond or the square hole for holding a file, and holding a file, and then the regular clamp for your blades. I think we're in business here. So I need to add I'm going to add some fresh oil. The old oil isn't too bad, but why not put fresh oil in? And I'm putting in some 5W30 motor oil that I was able to get at my hardware store. The only other thing that's wrong with this machine now is the two screws on the pump, the air pump system, are missing. So kind of dumb that somebody took those out. I cleaned out all the sawdust that had made its way into there, and I'm deciding on whether I want to just try to make my own flappy valves and try to fix it, or purchase those used from somebody. But that's not a major concern. There's always the that I can do. So yeah, this thing is looking good now, and I'm gonna put some oil in there and give it a try. Also, I noticed that this unit here, there's a little ring underneath. You loosen these and you can actually rotate this entire head in different directions if you ever wanted to. Put it together, and I'm like, that isn't straight. And I was like, oh yeah, of course. So wonderful. So there's a little like felt bushing in here to hold this in place, and that's quite a simple machine. Great.